welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I did one of these Milan diaries, but I'm back because now I'm gonna have an interview with my HR. But yeah, so you're gonna see more of Milan, so more of my work. So follow me along today. Welcome back. I'm in Porta Vittoria district. I had my interview with my HR. It went well. And now I'm going for a coffee because I'm really tired. I didn't have any breakfast and it's way too early to have lunch. So I had a little change of plan because I found this beautiful park here in Milan. It's supposed to be called 8th of March Park. Basically completely new. A lot of social housing and residential. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. The sun is out. It's warm. It's actually not cold at all. Well, spring started, so maybe that's why. I will no longer go get myself a cappuccino or breakfast because I think I'm gonna just read here. I have my book here with me. It's Intermezzo by Sally Rooney. And honestly, I wanted to talk to you guys about how my last 2 months went. I didn't have much to do except studying. I was taking university exams, which take a lot of my energy and time. That's why I don't really feel relieved or calm during the holidays. I know it's the time of the year where I have to study. And because of that, I tried my best to implement seeing my friends into my routine because I used to not allow myself to just be around people because I felt so stressed and in a bad mood. But I realized how important it is instead to see people and just share your emotions, even if they don't look as good as you think they look. But except from that, I've been doing a lot of research. After I came back from Paris, I've been to Paris from the 13th till the 17th of February. It was a beautiful, honestly beautiful, kind of emotional because I was with one of my friends and it's been a long time since I traveled with someone and I felt so calm. It really felt like I needed it. For my body, my mind, and my heart also. Traveling gives me a lot of energy and positive emotions, so it's something that I really enjoy doing. So after my trip, I only had to recharge before going back to work, and that's why I was here this morning having a conversation with my HR. So I think I'm gonna do my best to rebrand this kind of Milan diaries. I entered this period of my life where I want to be more intentional with what I do. Because of that, I really think I'm gonna leaning more towards bettering myself, adulting, and just leveling up in general. Today, I'm gonna have a lecture at the university. It's about an architectural firm from Barcelona. They make a lot of good buildings and I'm really looking forward to that because it's been a long time since I did one of these lectures and because I told you I want to do more adulting stuff and building more intentionally in my future. I want to get more into my professional outlet, do more research, either personal or professional. I'm enjoying both, so I'm gonna focus a lot on that as well. Also working on my portfolio. It's taking me a lot of energy. I've been doing a lot of that. Building my future, in a way. Both professionally, but also creatively. It's time to read now. Life is worth living again. I got extremely hungry, so I'm looking for a place to have lunch. I've looked places nearby just because the lecture is gonna be at Città Studio, which is close to here. It's like 30-minute walk. I think I found one spot, which is a Greek spot. If you've been following me since last summer, you know I've been in Greece and I love Greek food, so I think I'm just gonna go there. Back from the Porta Garibaldi district. I went to now to try some classes because I haven't done them since I broke down like 2 years ago. But I didn't find what I was looking for, so now I'm just going home, taking the train from Porta Garibaldi. Good morning to you all. It's a Sunday morning. It's the 9th of March and I'm actually going for a walk because I need some caffeine and a pastry. So I'm gonna go get to a cafe nearby. I have my book with me and my journal, so I'm gonna write a bit. And then I think I'm gonna go back to my house and just do some more work on my portfolio. So see you there. I'm on my way to the cafe. It's not a really spring day. The sky is not blue. It's a bit gray, so it's cloudy, but it's not cold, which is good. So maybe I'll just stay outside of the cafe. lovely. The place was so nice and cute and cozy. Now I'm heading home. I think I'm just gonna read a little bit more because I'm really enjoying the book. Like I'm only at page 60, but it's really nice, so I'm happy about it.